Hello family and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to use jewel tones to create a magnificent garden themed Mother's Day tablescape. Now, my centerpiece is not just going to be the star of the show. Those magnolia floral dinnerware that you see there, yes, a great compliment to what we have going on. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your lovely host here, Gigi Faison. And guys, I welcome you all into my home once again. In today's video, I will be sharing with you my Mother's Day tablescape. But before I get into completing the decorating process of my table, I want to take a moment to say Happy Mother's Day, Mom. Happy Mother's Day to my mom in love. Happy Mother's Day to my daughters, to my sisters in love. Happy Mother's Day. My nieces in love. Happy Mother's Day. To all of my good girlfriends, happy Mother's Day. And to all the mothers that are watching this video today, I pray that your day be like none other, that it will be filled with lots of love, joy, lots of laughter. Make memories that you can look back on years from now and just revisit the moments of this Mother's Day of 2024. Again, I'm your host here. I'm Gigi Faison. I'm also a mom and a bonus mom. And so I want to say, welcome guys, welcome into my home. I'm going to put this table together and all I need for you guys to do is go ahead, hit the subscribe button. Make sure you tap the notification bell twice so you will always be notified of any videos that are created on this channel. Leave me a comment in the comment section. I do love reading your comments. And guys, I want you to grab your coffee, your tea, or whatever it is that you would like to drink at whatever day or time that you're watching this video, and get a snack. Sit back and relax. This is my Mother's Day gift to some of you that maybe you want to create a tablescape, but you just don't feel like it. You don't have the time. You can't muster up the desire to do so. My hope here is to inspire you in some way to just get up. Get up. Even if it's just a one-place setting, create that space for yourself. Or if it's a two-place setting, set that and just make it look pretty. Sit back, look at it, and hopefully it will revive you of that thing that you are missing. So happy Mother's Day, guys. I'm going to go ahead and start putting this table together. I've already started working on my centerpiece. I have layered my garland here. I've layered some other garland on top of it. This is the garland of floral. And it's absolutely beautiful. This garland is that real lifelike garland that I've topped on top of this greenery here. I have my magnolia napkin rings that I'm going to be using with my magnolia dinnerware. So I've started playing around with it, so I'm going to go ahead and keep playing. You guys just go ahead and get whatever it is that you need so that you can enjoy this tablescape when it's all said and done. All right, guys, I'll start working. So here, guys, I am trying to decide what to use as my in place settings, as the Magnolia um, dinnerware set only came with a 4-piece setting. There was a 4-piece for the dinner plate and the 4-piece for the salad plate. So I'm trying to decide whether to use the solid pink or the polka dot Kate Spade plate. Now the Kate Spade plate I purchased from Tuesday Morning a few years ago, before I think they disappeared. And I only got those 4 plates. I didn't get anything else to go with it. So you have to stick around just to see what I decided to go with. Okay, now is the time for this reveal of this jewel toned, garden themed Mother's Day tablescape. Enjoy. Okay, guys, we're going to start right here in the center where I love to start, and we're going to start with this iridescent battery operated lamp here. Yes, it is a lamp, and I thought with the jewel tones, the iridescent, absolutely a beautiful match. Now, my centerpiece is layered with garland greenery with the garland of flowers on top, with lots of iridescent pieces inserted within the greenery and the garland of the flowers. What a beautiful bed of flowers. Jewels. Absolutely beautiful to the eye. So I will hope that any mother that would sit at this table will feel special. These iridescent pieces are some that I've purchased from the home goods store over the years. The little swans in the center there, along with the lamp and the candle holders. All of these pieces over time from the home goods store, some from maybe TJ Maxx, so forth and so on. The dinner plate and the salad plate here, these magnolia plates, are from Amazon. And guys, when I saw these plates, I thought and I knew that they will be perfect for sharing this Mother's Day tablescape. The charger plate is that vintage look, and I've had this for quite some time. So adding all of this together to create a wonderful space for any mother to feel welcomed on her special day. The napkins and the napkin rings are some that I've had in my stash, and this magnolia leaf napkin ring next to the napkin itself. Perfect marriage to the plate, the chargers, the stemware, and the flatware. Absolutely beautiful. So guys, I hope you will enjoy the effort that I have put into creating this space. Leave me a comment in the comment section, guys, and let me know what you think of my choice. Do you think using the polka dot plate was a better choice than using the solid pink? Although the solid pink probably would have looked great with the salad plate here, but I did want to just kind of break it up just a little bit. Just to let you guys know that you don't always have to be matchy-matchy. You can use what you have. Use your vision to bring forth that looks beauty to your eyes. As they say, beauty is in the eye of the beholder. Some will love it, some will not, some will like it, some will not. But hey, put forth your best effort and show others how much you care. All right, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and share by leaving me a comment in the comment section. And again, if you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and make sure you tap the notification bell twice so you will always be notified of any and all up and coming videos that are created on this channel. Guys, I like to share with you what I like to receive, and that is a great effort and beauty.